Welcome to ScrapeCon 2024. I'm Itamar, the Director of Data Product at Bright Data, where I've been in the last 5 years. For the past 3 years, I have led a team that created a product focused on automated data collection processes. In this presentation, I want to share with you the learning and key insight, showcasing how they significantly influenced our system and impacted the scraping operation of numerous companies. Today, we will focus on the critical elements of data collection, including collection, schema, and validation, essential for anyone in the data collection field. Let's start by examining a various model that can optimize our scraping operation. From in-house effort to data as a service, each model offers unique benefits and challenges. Our objective, to find the sweet spot between flexibility, data delivery, and reliability. Choosing the right model is the first step into building a robust data collection strategy. As we delve into the pillars of data reliability, consider this the bedrock of our strategy. Reliable datasets are not a luxury, they are a necessity for informed decision-making. Let's unpack this pillar, starting with data collection. Data collection is the bedrock. Without precise, targeted collection method, even the most sophisticated analysis fell short. We leverage proxy network, manage web unlocking, and employ browser automation. Each tactic is chosen for its ability to gather data that's not just extensive, but relevant and accurate. Next, we transition to schema design and data validation. Schema design is our blueprint, organized data with precision. Validation then is our quality check, ensuring that the data meets our strictest standard. Together, they ensure our datasets are reliable and ready for analysis. Data collection is where our journey begins, setting the foundation for everything we do at Bright Data. This process is a complex dance that involves navigation through vast networks, managing proxies with precision, unlocking the web full potential, and streamlining it all through sophisticated browser automation. These aren't just buzzwords. They are the cogs in our well-oiled machine that ensure we gather data not only efficiently, but with laser-focused relevance. It is the starting blocks when raw information collected, setting the stage for its transformation into actionable insight. Tailoring our collection approach is about precision and efficiency. We employ 4 key techniques. Search engine utilization leverages search engine to cast a wide net, like trawlers on the open ocean. We use specific keywords to locate URLs across the web expanse, pulling our catch from the depth of the search result pages. This is our broadest tool, great for discovering new data sources and expanding our horizon. Moving to sitemap crawling, think of it as using a map in a treasure hunt. Website layouts their treasure in sitemaps, listing their valuable data pages. By following these maps, our crawlers systematically navigate and retrieve the data in an organized fashion, ensuring we miss no hidden gems. Website search-based crawling is our targeted approach, like sending in a specialized drone to a dense forest. We use the site's own search function to uncover the path to valuable data, processing results to find the most relevant URLs. It's precise and effective for mining specific datasets within a vast digital terrain. Lastly, using URLs is our tool for customization. Here we are the locksmith, crafting keys, URLs with specific parameters that unlock data across different website sections. It is a technique requiring deep knowledge of a site architecture, allowing us to access data that's not just lying on the surface, but hidden behind the door of web structures. Tailoring our data collection to the needs of dataset requires a versatile approach. Each technique we adopt is suited to different scenarios within the web complex ecosystem. Starting with traditional HTML scraping, we navigate the foundational code of the web. It is our go-to for static content where the stability of an HTML structure allows us to extract data with precision. We look for a specific pattern, much like seeking familiar landmark on a map, to locate and retrieve the information we need. It's straightforward but powerful for the data that remain constant. Transitioning to headless browser, we step into the dynamic world of modern web application. These browsers are invisible users, navigating pages, clicking buttons, and interacting with sites just as a human would, but without a visual interface. This allows us to engage with pages that are rich in JavaScript and dynamic content, extracting data that only reveals itself after a result of interaction or a real-time content loading. Finally, internal API present a direct line to structured data. We use this API to draw out data in a clean, structured format. This method is efficient and precise, bypassing the need for HTML parsing altogether. This requires a blend of technical savvy and strategic thinking. Each of these techniques bring its own strength to our data collection endeavors, and by mastering all three, we ensure that there is no piece of data, no matter how hidden or complex, is beyond the reach. Tailoring collection to dataset needs isn't just about amassing quantity of data, it's about precision. Our methodologies ensure data relevancy and comprehensive aligning precisely with an ethical objective. We adapt our strategy to update, discover, and refine data collection. Updated existing records allow for the maintenance and enhancement of current datasets, ensuring they reflect the most recent information available. Specific URL collection target known source to expand our dataset systematically, giving us the most complete current view. When it's time to venture into new domains, Discover Record is our strategy for uncovering fresh, uncollected data, broadening our dataset with previously undiscovered information. Comprehensive Update merge this approach, offering dual view of new and existing data to provide thorough perspective. And with the advanced option, we fine-tune the process further, focusing on dynamic changes like price fluctuation or new product addition, ensuring our dataset remain cutting edge. Each choice is a step toward a dataset that not just gathered but crafted it with the intended use case front and center. Stepping into the realm of schema design, we are looking at the art of science of giving form to data. The stage is about more than mere organization. It's the process of crafting framework that ensure our data is not only accurate and accessible, but primed for insightful analysis. Through parsing and cleaning, we transform raw data into structured form, ready for the demand of complex decision-making. As architect of data, our schema design set the stage for how information is stored and utilized. It's the structural integrity and the architecture that ensure our data remain accurate, consistent, and reliable. At the heart of the schema design, there are three core elements: attributes, data type, and constraint. Attributes are the individual fields that hold our data, like container carefully labeled for easy identification and access. Each attribute is defined not just by its name, but by its relationship to the whole. Data types are the blueprint for these containers, dictating the nature of data they hold. This specification ensures that numeric data doesn't end up in a text field, maintaining the schema integrity. Constraints act the rules of data architecture. They enforce the validity of the data through a required field or unique identifier, much like building code ensure the safety and function of a structure. Together, these elements form the cohesive framework that is foundational to any data-driven operation. Over the years, we faced requests to collect data from multiple websites within the same vertical. We developed something called Universal Schema. This tool is the key for efficiently and consistently handling a wide range of web data. It's allowed us to collect various data types from many sources without constant changes to the setup. We build our schema around core fields that are universally applicable, ensuring every piece of data fits into the overall structure. We also incorporate operational fields for unique data points, which mean our schema grows with us, adapting without the need for constant redesign of the schema. This standardized approach doesn't just make analyticals and integration more straightforward. It's also the groundwork for advanced machine learning, providing the consistent data inputs this model required. Facing with complexity of varied data formats, increased sources, our schema remained adaptable. By defining core fields and allow for optional extension, we create the resilient, extensible design that meet the need of both today and tomorrow. The benefits of this unified schema is clear. It streamlines analytics, ensure our dataset are machine learning ready, and simplify data integration. This is how we achieve an harmonized view of our data universe, driving insightful, strategic decision making. Schema design extends beyond organization to include meticulous parsing and cleaning, essential for processes that ensure our data is primed for use. In parsing, we use both traditional method and AI technology. Traditional parsing focuses on stable HTML structure, utilizing Document Object Model (DOM) for data extraction. This method effective for static content, but struggle with data that isn't nearly structured into specific element. AI tools like GPT step in for complex and dynamic web pages, understanding them like humans do. This is useful especially with NLP for better data understanding. Then, we move to cleaning duplicates. It is crucial, especially in expensive datasets, to maintain integrity, ensuring that every record is unique and that our analyses are based on clean, singular instance of information. Together, parsing and cleaning, ensuring clarity, consistency, and reliability in our dataset. After experiencing challenges with rapidly changing website and frequent website A/B tests, we develop our data validation process. This process serves as a vital quality control step in our data pipeline, ensuring the data we collect and organize meets strict standards of accuracy, completeness, and reliability. This process serves as a vital quality control step in our data pipeline, ensuring the data we collect and organize meets strict standards of accuracy, completeness, and reliability. It's the stage where we rigorously confirm that our data is ready for decision-making or analytical models. In our data-driven world, the role of gatekeeping is played by data validation. This vigilant process inspects closely our dataset to confirm that each piece of information is not only accurate, but also rich with meaning and practicality. It is the defense line against the intrusion of bad data that could distract or destroy our analysis and lead to flawed insight. Our validation process is thorough, covering various checks for different aspects and data quality. Feeling great ensures the data is not only presented, but also meet a certain standard of completeness. Data stability and persistence validation check that the data remain constant over time, which is vital for analysis that track changes or trends. We verify that each data point is unique to prevent redundancy, ensuring that the dataset is efficient and every piece of the data is meaningful. Type verification checks data against its expected format, such as numerical data appearing as numbers and textual data as a text. Record completeness validation and data size fluctuation threshold help maintain dataset integrity by monitoring for any unusual changes or gaps. Finally, we ensure every entry is unique and duplicates are removed, keeping the dataset streamlined and focused. Now let's discuss data delivery. This is the final and essential stage where our checked and organized data gets to you. It's when all of our past work is sent to you. Efficient delivery is important because it makes sure that the valuable information is timely, accurate, and ready for use. Streamlined data delivery is all about precision and efficiency. We ensure that data arrive not just swiftly, but also in the format that best serves your analysis needs. Whether it's a cloud storage, like Google's cloud storage, Azure, Snowflake, or the choice between CSV, JSON, or any other format, our systems are equipped to deliver. Optimizing batch size is another layer of refinement, balancing speed and volume to enhance the overall efficiency of the data transfer process. As we wrap up, let's summarize our discussion with 3 key points. First, a robust schema is the cornerstone of data integrity. It's the foundation upon which all subsequent analysis is built, and its strength is pivotal to the accuracy and usability of our data. Second, systematic validation acts as a safeguard for data quality. It is a rigorous checkpoint that is ensure only the highest quality data flow through our system to yours. And third, tailored data collection strategies are essential to align with specific analytical objectives. They ensure that our methods are not merely efficient, but also perfectly aligned with the precise requirement of each unique dataset. Together, these key points show a promise to provide data that is not only large in quantity, but also valuable, checked for quality, and flexible for different uses. I hope that this presentation helped you with your data collection needs. Thank you for listening.